So this one is a finding a product. With a product, you need to make sure that when you are checking the rows and columns, that these two middle numbers are the same, which here they are because they are the same size. So when you are doing the multiplication, again, like your teacher has said many times, you got to practice multiplying matrices. It's just going to have to come with a lot of practice. So here, I'm going to do the row times the column. That gives us -1 times 3 plus 0 times -1. Then we do that same row, but the different column that goes over here. -1 times -2 plus 0 times 0. No, different colors so we don't get them switched. We're doing this second row by this first column, which is 2 times 3 plus -4 times -1. So last set, same row, the different column. So 2 times -2 plus -4 times 0. Now I'm just going to do this in a different color, just so you can just see that I'm going to do these over them. So this -1 times 3 is -3. Add 0, which is just a 3. And -1 times -2 is just 2. That's a 0. 2 plus 0 is just 2. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 4. That gives you a 10. And lastly, this is a -4 and a 0. -4 plus 0 is just -4. So that should be your final product at the end. Oh, I forgot the negative here. Sorry about that. This should be a -3. But yeah, that is the final product for that last one. Now, for number 7, it's just checking that you know the orders. Now, when you do it, it's m times n, or rows, by columns. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So this is a 5 by 4 matrix. All right, for number 8, it says under her cell phone plan, Lydia pays a flat cost of $69 per month and $4 per gigabyte. She wants to keep her bill under $85 per month. So she is wanting her month to be less than $85. It says write and solve an inequality which can be used to determine G, the number of gigabytes Lydia can use while staying within her budget. So key things here is the flat cost per month and $4 per gigabyte. Now this 85 is per month. This is not per year, so we do not have to worry about that. So our flat price of $69 per month plus this $4 she's paying per gigabyte. So right here is the inequality that we have. You pretty much solve every inequality the same as you do if there was an equal sign. However, you're not writing an equal sign. So I'm going to bring this down so we don't forget that it's a less than, and 85 stays the same for right now, and 69 plus 4G. Subtract that 69. 4G is going to stay less than 16. Divide by that 4. G is less than 4. So she needs to use less than 4 gigabytes per month. So that right there is just the answer. Alright, finally, this is number 9. Number 9 is just asking you to solve the inequality for S, and this is write your answer in simplest form. Now from here, I just like to move like terms together, so I'm going to kind of do that in one step. So this is going to be -5 plus 19. Oh, wait, 24 plus 24. Sorry about that. 24 plus 30s less than or equal to -10s minus 2s minus 3. As you can see, I distributed this equation here, and I moved this over so you can see the like terms. So that gets you to 19 plus 30s is less than or equal to -12s minus 3. So here we're going to lose the 19. Subtract 19, add our 12s, add our 12s. That gets you 42s on this side, less than or equal to. Now, this one is -3 plus -19. So that gives you -22. And just like a normal equation, you just divide by 42 on both sides. S is less than or equal to -11 over 21. And that is your answer for number 9.